Today, we gather to celebrate a symbol of faith, perseverance, and divine purpose, the dedication of Noah's Ark Church. This structure is more than bricks and mortar. It is a testament to God's faithfulness and the unyielding spirit of a man whose journey embodies resilience and unwavering devotion to God's kingdom. Meet Barrister Dr. Engineer Success Obioma Akagburuonye, a man whose life story is woven with challenges and triumphs, guided by divine inspiration and relentless dedication. He was born on Tuesday, February 22, 1966, to the family of Mr. Akagburuonye Nehemiah Amuche and Mrs. Nwafo Monica Nee Wakwe in Umumbele Hamlet of Umushike village in Obuovuro town of Abombise local government area of Imo State.
I experienced poverty in my family to the extent that poor people were calling us poor. Anywhere I personally went to visit my friends, my mates or classmates, due to the poverty level in my family, the first impression will be, or perception will be, that I have come to look for food. Eat better in Igbo. If we visit the rich people around, there will be that discrimination because poverty will reach all over me in particular.
He was able to burst forth from a circumstance of poverty and low station of life to dignity and opulent wealth later in life. He earned a degree in civil engineering and began practicing that field of endeavor until he was able to make his onions in real estate. An astute entrepreneur, he amassed dizzying fortunes which attracted the envy of low-level minds in both the private and public sectors. Unjustly accused, his path was shaped by a profound experience with the EFCC.
On the 15th of September 2003, I was arrested. And I'll tell you something you must know. If after listening to what I'm telling you now, and listening to what I did today and seeing what you demonstrated, for you to doubt that is God, for you to doubt that is God in Assemblies of God Church, that the God we are worshiping in Assemblies of God is a living God. If for you to doubt that God can change your situation, if for you to doubt that you can pray and God will answer you, then I'll tell you sorry.
Through faith and perseverance, he was eventually vindicated by the Court of Appeal. This crucible not only redefined his understanding of justice, but also ignited a new purpose, studying law amid adversity to champion fairness and integrity. His victory in court has had far-reaching impacts, helping decongest prisons and saving countless lives. Today, he recognizes that God's hand has been upon his journey guiding him to serve humanity. The Noah's Ark Church stands as a living reminder of Noah's unwavering obedience, building the ark over 120 years despite mockery and doubt. Noah trusted God's promise, and when the flood came, he and all who trusted him found safety in the refuge of the Lord. Inspired by this biblical story, Barrister Success Akagburuonye envisioned a sanctuary that embodies faith and salvation, a place where souls find refuge and spiritual growth. Partnering with dedicated architects and with land graciously donated by Bishop Simeon Obonna, this magnificent structure took shape, a first of its kind in Nigeria. This church is a beacon of hope, a sanctuary where everyone who calls on God will find salvation. It stands as a symbol of obedience, faithfulness, and divine promise.
Barrister Chief Doctor Success Akagburuonye is my younger brother. Around 20 years ago, I came home to build my house where I bought land for my residence. And when I came, it happened coincidentally, he came home also and was looking for a place he's going to build for God. Anywhere I go, I will hear the voice, surrender your land to me. I said, I will look behind, I am not seeing anybody. I didn't consult my wife. I didn't consult anything, and that is the only one I have. My father didn't give me any inheritance, even one. So, and I know what it takes me to buy those lands and then to uproot the whole palm trees and all other things in order for me to build and for me to come. And it was the time Success came home and said he was looking for a place to build for church. I tell you, it take almost 2 hours. I will go here, I'll be hearing the voice. I'll be hearing the voice. I said, okay. I said, come, let me go and show you. He followed me. I said, this is around 4 blocks. Will it be all right for what you want to do? He said, yes. How much? I told him, when God will be paying you, he will be paying me. If you are doing it for God, why wouldn't I also do for God? So that is the way how I handed over the land. Getting home, my wife was asking me, how many trips of sand? How many bags of cement? And are they going to finish molding? I said, give me food, let me eat. Until I broke the information, she started crying. I told him, don't cry. I give it to God. And God in turn will replace. And I'm telling you vividly, God has given me something better and better than that one I gave to him. My joy is I am alive. It's true, my mother just died. I was thinking on the day of dedication, me and my wife and my mother will march into the ark which Chief Success has built. But notwithstanding, who am I to question God? So that's exactly what happened. So today I am happy that finally that the ark has been built.
A legal luminary, a revered businessman, a dedicated politician, and a passionate philanthropist, Barrister Success Obioma Akagburuonye has dedicated his life to service.